And after 2 years, more than 2 years really, this is how the paint job is holding up. So you can see the pollen and the rain without having to clean it did quite a number on it, but you'll see how easy it is to clean once we start pressure washing it, just with the pressure washer alone. And then once we add a little bit of soap, it'll come right off. Same thing with the back of the truck bed. You can see it's just caked on here. It doesn't come off. So here's the difference between only hitting it with the pressure washer versus the pollen that was stuck on there from all of the rain. And so here's your before. Got a little wet, but didn't come off yet. And then everything else is off now. Only from the pressure washer. Go ahead, Arch, get the rest. Now, as you can see, the worst part of the entire paint job and everything that was done is gonna be the roof. As you can see, there is rust that is still showing up here, but this is after 2 years of sitting in direct sunlight outside. 2 years straight. The sun goes overhead, direct sunlight, and sets right there every single day for 2 years straight. And this is after it was sanded down and sprayed. So I'd say it's still in pretty decent shape. Here soon, I'm gonna have to probably strip this down once again and then respray it, because I can't spray over this. It's just gonna eat right through. And after 2 years, more than 2 years really, this is how the paint job is holding up. Now I just did get done rinsing the whole thing off, so you can still see the water sheeting down, but it dries fairly quickly and there's no need to use soap or anything like that. And because of that, this paint stays in pretty good condition because it doesn't require a bunch of maintenance. The texture is still there and it holds up really well. Now that everything is drying off, you can see just how good the paint is. And this is not even me drying it by hand or anything. This is just rinsing it off and letting it dry naturally. And after 2 years, this is how everything is holding up. Now there is one little spot right here where you can see probably a rock chip or some damage or something that caused the paint to chip away off of the hood. But this thing has seen miles and miles on the highway with no damage, except for this. This is just a blemish, but everything else, even the grill, is unscathed. That brush bar should probably get a coat on there, but maybe I'll do that later on. But as you can see, overall, everything looks great.